Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off this beautiful 2026 6th generation 4Runner with a TRD lift kit. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're starting off with is a 2026 6th generation 4Runner in a TRD Sport premium trim level. This particular trim level is only available in a gas version of it. We wanted to go with the TRD Sport trim level because it's one of the only ways of getting the windshield pearl on a base vehicle, as well as the black hood scoop that you get standard on a TRD Sport and Sport Premium trim levels. We wanted to add a TRD lift kit because they just became available around the timing of this video. So we went ahead and added the gas version of the TRD Sport lift kit, and this is going to accomplish a couple of things. It's going to let us put a bigger tire size underneath the vehicle. Tried it originally with a 285/75/18, and it was just too big. It required the front bumper to be cut in pretty bad, which we weren't comfortable with because this is still a brand new truck. But the kit is actually fairly comprehensive. It's a 2.5-inch lift kit. It's a Bilstein suspension tuned by TRD. It's going to change the colors. Your springs are going to be red, but it does come as a front coilover package, pre-assembled. Obviously, you have the rear shocks as well. You have rear springs as well. You do get new axles with it, and you do get a billet aluminum upper control arm that comes in silver. They do make the upper control arm available in red or in bronze, depending on what you want to do, but the silver one is included, and it's a $1,000 upper control arm, so it's definitely something that you probably would just want to keep unless you just had to have bronze or red for whatever reason. For the wheels, we went with the TRD accessory wheel. This is a plus 45 offset. We went ahead and added a TRD center cap as well because this is a TRD Sport model, so we wanted to have the red and the black and the white TRD colors and that whole theme going. We're using the stock OEM lug nuts, and we went ahead and added a TRD Pro grill. The reason that we added a TRD Pro grill as opposed to like a Trail Hunter grill is because on a TRD Sport model, you're going to have a lot of color match themes, so your fender flares are going to be color matched as opposed to being a matte black finish. You're also going to have a gloss black hood scoop despite what color you have. It wasn't something that we modified on the vehicle. And then on the front bumper, again, not being a flat matte finish, you're going to have a glossy painted black finish. So the TRD Pro grill, although it has silver lettering on white, it actually blends in nice because it's a neutral color, but more importantly, we have the gloss black painted upper grill insert. You absolutely could do the TRD Pro lower grill insert and add a light bar if you wanted to. We didn't see the need to do that just to keep the cost down on this vehicle, but it absolutely could be done, and you could relocate your camera from down here underneath of the radar sensor up here. Because we are leaving the camera down here, you are going to have a blank hole here, so hopefully somebody will come out with an aftermarket like 3D printed option that can kind of plug that, but most people would probably not notice it. I hadn't mentioned it. We did relocate it from here to here. It would require a bracket of some nature just because the camera is a different shape on the behind end of it, and we would just have another hole down here. So all in all, it's a beautiful look. The gloss black matches all the other black accents just perfectly. It's nice that having the Toyota here instead of the sombrero. So a couple other accessories that we added on this. We had the door edge guards as well as the body side moldings. All in all, we were going for a Stormtrooper look with the gloss black and the gloss white. So let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you have any questions, please ask. Please hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future 4Runner content, and have a wonderful day.